Hey, I got a small haul. I got some beautiful fabrics from Fat Quarter, and you know I can't stand to leave the package intact. I had to rip them open, but I kept them in their bag so we could look at them when they're in their most beautiful state. These were 2 grab bag mystery bundles from Fat Quarter Shop. 12 Fat Quarters. And in this grouping, let me show it to you. I thought this looked like art gallery, and it is art gallery fabrics. Can you believe it? And it looks like almost like a Southwest look to it. Let's see, how do they do that? Do they do it like this? So we have that beautiful dark hunter green, and then we have this teal fabric. Oh, I love this one. Look at this one. Teal paisley. Now, is that my favorite or what? And then a small flower that could work with anything. Oh, that is so Southwest. It reminds me of Pendleton Woolen Mills. Doesn't it remind you of that too? Oh, that's beautiful. It's called Tumbleweed by Sharon Holland. Art Gallery Fabrics. You see, am I getting ahead of myself? I sure am. Oh, look at here. Snakes and coyotes and rabbits. Well, doggone, we may have to put some of that in the hunter one. The hunting quilt. Because I don't think we have any coyotes in that. Or snakes. Ooh. Okay. This is gorgeous. Of course, that's my favorite color. The berry color. Oh, look at that. Oh, boy, that's pretty. Can you see that okay? This is gorgeous. Let me hold that one up. Look at that. It's just royal. This one's pretty too. It's got the flowers to go with it. And then this last one is a beautiful, beautiful floral. Reminds me of my grandmother's rug. Her dining room rug that was a Persian rug. Looks like that, like a woven. But this one's my favorite. What do you think? Well, I don't know. Maybe this one here would be the favorite. Oh, that's beautiful. What do you think? I like this one a lot. But you know, that animal one, that one, of course, is going to need to be in that animal quilt that I'm doing. And then the rest of these are some beautiful oranges, golden. This one right here would be, I think that could be a reproduction type fabric right there. But it just looks so beautiful with this whole grouping. So that's the, I want to say American Girl, but AG is not American Girl. It is Art Gallery. Okay, so that's Art Gallery. Isn't that just gorgeous? These grab bags were on sale. So if you pick 2, you get a big discount on them. And I think I paid, well, I could have swore I paid less than this, but I recorded it at $68.91 for both of these 12 Fat Quarters plus shipping. It included shipping. So let's look at this other one. This one's called, what's this one called? You know, it doesn't say. Let's look on the edges and see what it says. Oh, the edges are on that end. Boy, these are going to be lots of yellows. That must have been a Popular color, huh? Oh, this is Andover, created by Andover Fabrics, 2024. Now, isn't that funny? The name of the line is Andover, and the name of the manufacturer is Andover. But it doesn't say who designed them. Let's keep looking. No, doesn't say. But it reminds me of navy and cheddar, the grouping of fabrics with connecting threads. But these feel like silk. You know, the Andover fabrics, they just feel so wonderful. Let's go through them all. So this one is a nice navy blue, heading towards royal blue, not a true dark navy, with an orange grid in it. Then this is little oranges. Looks like polka dots in the movie, but they look like little oranges. That's beautiful. The blue and flowers. Oh, this would be, you could use this one for anything, huh? Oh, that's pretty. Do you like the leaves? Just gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, here it is in the cheddar color. And then another tiny tonal. That's pretty. Look at that. I like the swirls and the little flowers. Now we got a true deep purple, a deep orange with leaves. And again, that little tiny, it's not tone on tone, it's definitely a little pattern, but it's just a delicate pattern. So that's the two mystery bundles. I'm pretty pleased with both of them. So that's 24 fat quarters, 2 bundles of 12, plus shipping, 68. Well, I don't know. I don't know that I got a tremendous deal on those, but they were less money than if you'd have bought them on the regular price. I'm such a stickler for a good deal, you know. Because if it's not a deal, boy, oh boy. Okay, so the next one we have to look at is the reproduction kit that I usually get every month. That's to be used in my Civil War quilt. Now these are gorgeous. These are Gentry's Mills by Lynn Wilder from Marcus Fabrics, curated by Fat Quarter Shop. Now this, with this bundle, that should definitely give us plenty of reproduction fabrics for the whole quilt of 50 blocks. Because I've been picking up a variety of other things along the way too that would all work. But Gentry's Mill, there was quite a few kits that were put out on this kind of fabric, Gentry's Mill. I think it was Keepsake had a number of them. And so did, I want to say Stitch in Heaven had one that was a Gentry's Mill curated for those fabrics. We'll see. This one is gorgeous blue, sort of like Delft dishware. That's beautiful. Oh, this would be great in these Civil War blocks. Oh, that one would be too. Seems to be a predominant lot of blues and reds in those. Oh, look at that. Looks like a brooch. So pretty. Now this is funny. These look very clear and precise flowers, but over here on the end of the bolt, they're all distorted. I wonder if that went through the whole bolt. Seems like it, because these, see, look at that. Look at the difference. Can you tell? These here are more faded and distorted versus the next two that are clear, crisp. Interesting, huh? Well, let's keep going. Those are gorgeous. Wait a minute, what are we doing here? Come back. Here. Now this is perfect for those stripes. That seems like the Barbara Brockman, her mock-ups for the different blocks that we're doing, they tend to have stripes in them. So this would be great. And some of them will have a flower, but not very many of the blocks had flowers. Especially not these big ones like a curtain flower. And see, these are Gentry's Mill Large Floral by Sowin' Wild Oats. Sowin' Wild Oats. Marcus Fabrics. Beautiful. See, again, that's my color. I like that. This is beautiful. That's nice. That's really nice. That's my color. This is lovely, tone on tone. Now I think on this bundle, what's your favorite? Well, we got them a little crooked, didn't we? Well, now just a minute here. We're going to get it straight. Okay, so that's in there. This goes right about there. I think I have to say that my favorite so far, I like this one and I like the stripe. And the blues are just sort of blasé. This cameo looking thing is real beautiful, and the stripe. I guess it was those two, the stripes, and then the blues are nice. What do you think? Did we do okay? I think I'm going to stop splurging on those. I think that's all I'm going to buy for a while. But man, they're sure feel good. I mean, those art gallery ones, they feel fabulous. Okay, so there is a small haul. 3 bundles of gorgeous, gorgeous fat quarters. Now I need to get going on that Civil War again. I think we're up to block 8 or 9. Can't remember. Let me look. Yes, the next 2 we'll be doing is 8 and 9. Okay, good. Have you taken a look at my firm foundations? I just think that's going to be gorgeous. And I did find out who is working on it also, and it is Power with Threads. Power Machinery with Threads. Well, I think you know who I mean, though. If I can think of what that lady's name is. Well, anyway, okay, we'll see you again next time. And there's a small haul from Fat Quarter, and boy, they do come through for you when you buy those mystery packs. They really come through with beautiful things. All right. Hey, have a good afternoon. Take care. Bye-bye.